Dear students, today we will discuss and do the problems of 1.2, exercise 1.2. Exercise logic chapter 1.2. Construct the truth table for each of the following statement patterns. Statement patterns we have to form the truth tables for that. 1.2 main question 1, sub question number 2. I do even questions as usual. You please try as odd ones as homework. Practice problems like not getting means you can ask in that WhatsApp group so that we can work out and give you video shoot and give you the next day. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2. P conjunction negation Q double implies P simple implies Q. Here conjunction, here simple implication, between these two compound statements double implication also. Okay, this is the question. Now we form the table. See here, question number 1, P conjunction negation Q. See the same thing. P conjunction negation Q double implies P implies Q. P implies Q. Now here there are two statement letters. Statement letters are P, Q, R, etc. Okay. Here it is P, Q. These are the two letters. Negation P, negation Q, not a separate statement. Statement letter we consider P and Q. Here there are two statement letters P and Q. Therefore, the number of statement letters is 2. Therefore, number of rows. The formula is 2 to the power m, where m is the statement letters. Statement letters is 2, So 2 to the power 2, which is 4. Now number of connectives. Number of connectives means see like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 actually here. See 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually we are having number of connectives 4. Number of connectives is equal to 4. So number of columns, rows we have seen 4. This is a number of rows equal to 4. Number of columns is equal to m plus n. M plus n. M plus n. 4 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 4, 6. So here these are P, Q, negation Q. Now the first statement P conjunction negation Q. P implies Q. Then suppose it is A, this is A, this is B, means A double implies B. A double implication B. Now here I just started. P we have to make two statement letters, So T, T, F, F. 4 outcomes are there, Therefore T, 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 F or F, T, F, F. Like the 4 outcomes are there. Therefore P takes values T, T, F, F. Q takes T, F, T, F. Negation Q means opposite of this. Truth values are opposite. Here it's negation F. Here it is F. So it is T. It is T. Therefore it is F. It is F. Therefore opposite one T. Negation opposite values. Now P conjunction negation Q. P conjunction negation Q. In conjunction both should be T. Then only it is T. Both should be T. In conjunction, both should be T, then only T. Here, this is T, this is F. So it is F. Truth value is F. Here both are T. Therefore T. We are considering these two, P conjunction negation Q. P conjunction negation Q. These are the things. First and third columns you have to consider. Both are F, F only. One is F, the other is T, F. Because conjunction, both should be T, then only. Both should be T, then only T. Okay. So we made the first one. Now we make the second one. P implies Q. These two. P and Q. P and Q. Both are T. In simple implication, what is the condition? First should be T, second is F, then only it is F. So this like this. First is T, antecedent truth value T, consequent is F, then only F. It is not like this. So it is T. It is not TF, you know. FT, that's not the thing. TF, it should be order. It should be the order. Both are FT in simple implication. Now in double implication of A and B means this and this. This double implies with this, you know, double implication. These two statements. Both are of the same thing, then only T. Here both are not same. So F, it is also F. This also F. This also F. This is a statement pattern. Statement pattern is this way for this statement. If at all we go for the next statement, whether it is tautology, contradiction, etc., this is a contradiction. It's a contradiction. Now we go for question number 4. Question number 4. P implies, here it is, the question, P implies negation of Q conjunction R. What P simply implies? It's a compound statement. Negation of Q conjunction R. Statement letters C, P, Q, R. 3 statement letters are there. So accordingly things are changing. That's what here we are saying. So here number of statement letters P, Q, R. M is equal to 3. P, Q, R, you know. Therefore, number of rows is equal to 2 power m, 2 power 3, 2 power 3 is 8. 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 3 times multiplication, that is 8. Number of connectives 1, 2, 2, 3. Number of connectives n is equal to 3. Therefore, number of columns. From number of statement letters, we get number of rows. From number of connectives, we get number of columns. That is m plus n. This m plus n. 3 plus 3, 6. That means 6 columns should be there, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 columns are there. Number of rows 8. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here we have to make like these statements. 3 statement letters are there, you know. So here first one is having TT, TT, double T, double T, 4 T's, then 4 F's. F, 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 F. For second one, double T, double F. Again, double T, double F. Third one, alternate TF. TF, 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 TF. We form this one. Now Q conjunction or conjunction. Both should be T, then only T. Q and R. Q and R. Conjunction. T, T, T. Both are not T. F. Here also F. Here also F. Both are T, therefore T. These two T, T. Both are not T. F. Here also F. Here also F. We made Q conjunction R. But negation we want. We want negation of this. We made this. Negation of this means opposite of values of this. T means opposite value F. F means T. T means F. F means T's. Now we made here. See, this is already made A. Why we are keeping symbol letter A means here only one letter we can write, you know. We can accommodate, otherwise it should be a big one. The box should be only one letter we are going to write also. So to make short, I made this a single letter A. And P simply implies this A. P simply implies this A. That means this column first and this column. Truth values. Simple implication. First is T, second is F, then it is F, then only F. T, T, it is T. T, T. T, T, T. F and FT. F and T, T. F, T, T. F, T, T. This is a final statement pattern for the whole thing. For the whole thing, for this, the statement pattern is this one. Please do this. It's easy. Okay. Now question number after 4, 6. See, this is question number 6. 6 is what? Negation P implies negation Q. Conjunction negation Q implies negation P. Negation P conjunction negation Q. Here negation Q implies negation P. It's just opposite one. Interchange like this. And it is conjunction. This is question number 6. See, negation P implies negation Q. Conjunction negation Q implies negation P. Statement letters P, Q, P, P, Q. Only 2. So P and Q, 2 statement letters. Number of rows 4. Number of connectives, how many are there? Negation P, only once we have to consider. Negation Q, here also same thing only, no? That's not separate, one only. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 already considered. 5, negation P already considered. So 5 only. So number of rows means statement letters 2 power m, 4. Number of connectives 5. We are seeing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are having 5. So m plus n, number of columns, m plus n, 2 plus 5, 7. Now see number of rows 4 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of columns 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. So we continue now. 2 statement letters means P is having truth values T, T, F, F. Q is having T, F, T, F. Negation P, its opposite values. T means opposite is F, T, F, 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 T, T. The negation of Q, its opposite values. T means F, this F, so here T, this is T, F, F means it is T. Now P simple implies Q. Negation P implies negation Q. These two simple implication. First is T, second is F, then only F. But it is T now. This is T. TF. Yes, it is F. Only this is F. T, F. Antecedent T. Consequent F. F. This is T. Now negation Q implies negation P. This is first. Q first. Q is first. Negation P is second. First is this. It is T. TF. Yes, it is F. It is T. T, T, T. This is A. This is B means A conjunction B. Like that. So both are conjunction. Both are T. Then T. Conjunction. Both are T. T. Both are not T. F. F. Here it is T. This is a statement letters. Statement patterns. Of the given ones, final answer is this. Okay, easy. Now question number 8. Question number 8, here it is. P implies Q implies R. Means P simple implication, the compound statement is this. Q simple implication R. The whole statement, compound statement is double implication with P conjunction Q, a single statement like that is in simple implication with R. So P conjunction Q, simple implication R. Now what you have to do? The whole thing double implies with this whole thing. See, the whole thing double implication with this one. This is question number 8. So we do that. Question number 8. PQR. Number of statement letters 3. Therefore number of rows 2 power 3, 8. Number of connectives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of connectives 5. So number of columns m plus n. M plus n. 3 plus 5, 8. Now see, columns are there. Here we are making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 columns are required. Rows also 8 only, because 3 statement letters are there. So 2 power 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we start 3 statement letters means what? Double T 2 times. Then double F 2 times. Here double T double F, double T double F, and here alternate TF. Now first one we are making Q implies R. Q implies R. Both are TT. TF. Yes, simple implication it is F. FTT, FT, FF, TT. First is T, second is F, F. Simple implication it is T, T. Now P implies this. We are making this part, the whole statement. This one we made here. Now P implies Q. P implies this. Simple implication only. See, simple implication of these two. First is T, second is TT. TF only in this case. See this and this. F. This is T. T. FTT. FFT. FTT. FTT. Okay. Now we made this part. Now we have to concentrate here. That we see. P conjunction Q. P conjunction Q. These two. First and second. First and second. TT conjunction both are TT. Both are T, then only TT. First and second both are not T. F. Here also F. 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 Here also F. Now this simple implication R. This one and R simple implication, but this is first. First is T, second also T. First is T, second is F. This is F. Simple implication. First is T, second is F. Okay, this way, not this way, not that way. Order this T, F, F. F starting from F, F only. F, T, F. Sorry, it goes wrong. In simple implication, first is T, second is F, then only F. So T, T, T. T, F, F. F, T. F, T, F. This is T, T. First is this also T only. This also T. First is T, second is F, then only F will come. So starting itself is F, F, F. This also T. Take care of this part. First part is this, third is here. So here FF, that is T only. FT, T only, yes. Now A implies B. The whole thing A, the whole thing B, double implication. Here A and here it is B. Both are T, T. Both are FT. Both are same sign, some double implication, T only. T, T, T. T, T, T. T, T. Yes, T. T, T, T. 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 All T, it is a tautology also. Okay. That's the next question. This is question number 8. Now we are with question number 10. Question number 10 of main question 1. Question number 10 here. P disjunction negation Q simple implication R conjunction P. P, Q, R. 3 statement letters. Connect is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that we are doing now. Here it is. P, Q, R. Number of statement letters M is 3. So 2 power 3, 8. Number of rows 8. Number of connectives n is equal to 4. So number of columns m plus n. M plus n. 3 plus 4 7. 7 columns should be there like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of rows 8. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 statement letters, so here T, 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 F, 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 F. Here it is double T, double F, double T, double F. Here alternate TF, TF. Here also TF. Now negation Q. Negation Q we want. Q's opposite. Double T. So double F. Then double F, double T. Double T, double F. Double F, double T. Now P distinction negation Q. First and fourth distinction. Distinction means what? At least one T it is T. Both are T then only T. Okay. So here otherwise both are F then only F. In symbol distinction at least one T T. See T T. T is there. T is there. T. Both are F. See F F. These two we are considering F F F. Only both are F in distinction then only F. Here also both are F. Both are not F. See this is F but it is T. T. At least one T T. In distinction at least one T is there, it is T. Now R conjunction P. This part. R and P. R is first. In conjunction both should be T. R F T then it is T. Both are not T. It is F. Conjunction both should be T. Here one T, the other is F. Both T T. Both are not T, F. Both are not T, so F. Both are F. Both are not T. Here also F only. Now these two statements, first and second symbol implication. First, second. Both are T, T. First is T, second is F, then F, then it is F. Here T. First is T, second is F. So then only it is F. TF, TF. Here T, T. First is T, second is F, it is F. Here also F. This is a statement letter, statement pattern of the given statement of this question number 10 of question number 1. With that the question number 1 gets over. Now we are with question number 2. Question number 2 of 1.2 only. Using truth tables, prove the following logical equivalence. Logical equivalence. We want now logical equivalence. Means two statement patterns are having the same values. I will do and show you. You will understand it clearly. This is of this question number 2. I am doing even questions 2, 4, 6, etc. Okay. Other questions you can try. Now this question number 2, sub question number 2. See, negation P distinction Q, negation P distinction Q, distinction, negation P conjunction Q, negation P conjunction Q is equivalent to P. That is negation P. That is a statement. Question properly we have to take down. Here this particular law is not fully applicable. Now see, statement letters P, Q only. So that is 2. Number of rows fixed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 power 2, 4. Number of connectives means here 1, 2. Sorry, this is question number 1 I copied. This is question number 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is actually one problem. This is another one, negation P, but it's already here. So that separate column is not coming. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of connect is 5, we can take 2. So 7 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 4 rows, so here T, T, F, F. Q is alternate T, F. Negation P, its opposite negation. Double T means double F. Here double T. P distinction Q. These two distinction. In distinction at least one T, T only. Both are T. Good. It is T. At least one T, T in distinction. Here also one T is there. Both are F, then only F in distinction. Now negation of this. We want negation of P distinction Q. Negation of P distinction Q. P distinction Q we have here. Its negation. T, T becomes F, F. This T becomes F. F becomes T. Now what we have? Negation P conjunction Q. Negation P conjunction Q. Negation P conjunction Q. This is first, this is second. Both are not T. Conjunction, so it is F. F. T. Both are T, then only T. It is also F. Now, this we consider negation of P distinction Q A. Distinction, this negation P conjunction Q B. So here we consider these two distinction. At least one T, T will come. Distinction, both are F, F. Here F. Here it is. At least one T is then distinction T. Here also at least one T, T. So this is the second one. This second one is a complete left hand side. This one. This distinction P that we have. Equivalent to negation P. See in this one, whatever things are there, in negation P also is there. If it is one and the same, then only they are what? Logically equivalent. See here F. Yes, here F, here T, both are T, both are T, one and the same. So here statements pattern of first and second is the one is the same. Is one and the same. Therefore, one here, second is equivalent to first. Therefore, given statements are equivalence. Therefore, negation of, we write this one. P distinction Q, distinction, negation P conjunction Q is equivalent to P. They are logically equivalent. So they are logically equivalent. Statements are logically equivalent. They are logically equivalent statements. Now this is only one question I worked out. I do another video and send you the remaining questions. Now here the time is running out. We'll continue.